Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2013 Ford Flex Limited. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, you got a backup camera, the nice Ford Flex logo and Limited. We do get roof rails as well, heated door mirrors with blind spot detection. We do get a nice black hood deflector on the front with front park sensing, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. We have our third row down, but you do get 2 additional seats that you can lift up from here, stow, fold, all that jazz. You can close your liftgate from there. Cup holders and storage on either side. You got a 12-volt. And your seats back here, which is pretty handy, and got a cargo mat. And to close, all you have to do is hit that button right there and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, this vehicle does seat up to 7. We do have our 2 seats back here down. Got the black leather interior, you got floor mats, carpeted interior, you do get cup holders and storage with 110 volt, 12 volt. You got your rear climate controls. You do get one sec. Cup holders and arm space there, and you do get a cup holder and plenty of door space with some wood paneling in the back. And we do get some nice Vista roofs in the back as well, which is all pretty nice. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior, or leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front. You have memory seating for the 2 drivers. Lights, liftgate, brightness, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 189,753 kilometers. We do got a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with some wood paneling. You got your toggle for your left-hand screen, cruise control, toggle for your right, seek, volume, phone, and voice. And looking here on your left-hand screen, you have your display mode, trip and fuel economy, settings, and information about the vehicle. And over here you got your entertainment systems like phone, navigation, and radio station you're currently on. Taking a look to my right here, we do have our gear select, your speeds, cup holders, storage. It's also leather wrapped. You got more storage here, 12 volt, AVs, all that jazz. You got your park assist, storage. You got all these climate controls with dual climate up front. You just touch it. Source, sound, tune, volume, all that jazz. Storage below. Above me we have our features for our moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And look in here, we have a phone, navigation, station currently on, heated and cooled front seats, which is pretty nice. We're just going to hit into navigation real quick, if it wanted to load. And it will look like this. Pretty handy so you don't get lost on those long car rides. And you do got your radio station, which has Bluetooth, Sirius XM capabilities, and all that fun. Got your CD, AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth, AV, SD card, all that jazz. And we're going to go into our climate controls right here, where we do have our heated and cooled front seats. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA64964A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.